Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Long time no see. Glad to see you. It's been so long since I uploaded my last video on present continuous tense. And today, in this video, I'm going to tell you about past continuous tense. This is very important tense and you need to know a little bit about it. Then you can start using it in your language. The first thing that you must remember that we use was and were in this tense. And now the second thing is ing form of the verb. So was and were plus ing form of the verb you have to use in this tense. Let's talk about the use of this tense. This is most important to me, that you should know the use of the tense. The formation is very easy to remember, but the use is a little bit hard to practice. If you will practice it, then one day it will become the part of your language. The use of this past continuous tense is to talk about an action that is in progress in the past. Now I'll give you some examples and then you will have better understanding. I was watching television yesterday morning at 9 o'clock. She was washing clothes in the afternoon. So it was the first use of past continuous tense, that you talk about those actions which were in progress in the past. Now the other use of this tense is that with this continuous action you use another action which interrupts this action. In fact, in this use of past continuous tense you have to use two tenses together. The first one is past continuous tense, that is was, were with ing form of the verb, and the other action which interrupts this continuous action, that we use simple past. Regarding this tense, I can tell you only one thing, that we use second form of the verb. Here are few examples. If you look at them, you will understand it in a better way. I was sleeping when my friend called me. I was having my dinner when somebody knocked on the door. He was studying in class 7th when his father died. I was going to market when I saw an accident. Children were playing in the ground when the rain started. So my friends, this is the second use of this past continuous tense. Hope my friends this video will help you a lot to understand the tenses and you will improve your English. Come again with some other knowledge of English language. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.